Students, now we'll go for the exercise 7.2 second problem. The question is, find the coordinates of trisection of line segment AB. Here we are assuming the line segment AB, and what are the points here? P and Q. We have to find the P value and Q value. Clear? Okay. The condition is trisection. Trisection. Okay. What is the meaning of trisection? Okay. That is 1:2. One time 1 plus 2 is 3, and second time we have to, both the times we have to do here 2:1. Both are possible. 1:2, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 1 also 3. That we know, but still we have to find a ratio. How we got it? Okay, just I'll explain that how we got it. First we are assuming, let P and Q, this P and Q trisect a line segment AB. Here AB. Trisection means what is that? Three parts. The line segment divided into three parts. That is 1:2 or 2:1. Find out the ratio. Okay. First, AP is equal to, we know equal, PQ is equal to, and last one what is? QB. Three parts. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Yes. First we have to find AP by PB. AP by PB. Clear? AP is no change. PB value. What is the PB value? PB is equal to PQ plus QB, I think. Right here. PQ plus QB. PQ plus QB. Clear? Then applying this, we know AP is equal to what is PQ or QB. Anything we apply here, just applying this. Write it. What is AP by, what is the value we can take here? What is asking? P, B we have to find. Yes, that's PQ plus QB. Right here, all apply, you can write as 2AP. Because in the place of PQ and QB, we are selecting as AP plus AP. 2AP. Direct I am writing this one. Cancel AP. Here AP cancel. What is remaining? 1/2. 1/2 how to write? 1:2. The first ratio is what is here we got? 1:2 directly. Then automatically, obviously, second one also you get as 2:1. Now we know the ratio. Using the 1:2, first using the 1:2, we have to find P value. Yes. What is the line segment? AB is the line segment. First I am assuming this is as x1, y1, here x2, y2. What is the ratio? M is to n is equal to, what is the ratio given? 1:2. First time 1:2. Clear? Now I will find P coordinates. I am assuming P coordinates, what is here? X comma y. We know the ratio formula or section formula. Applying this, we know mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the section formula or ratio formula. Applying this, m value, x2 value, x1 value, y2 value, y1 value, you know, direct applying this. M, what is the m value here? 1 into x2. x2 is -2 plus n. N is what is here? 2 into x1. What is x1? 4 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. First one, and second coordinate, m is 1, y2 is -3 plus n is 2. Again y1 value is -1 divided by 1 plus 2. Yes, 1 minus 2, that is -2. 1 into -2 is -2. 2 4s are, that is 8 divided by 3. Second coordinate, 1 into -3, -3. Next, plus, then plus into minus, minus only, that is 2 into -1, -2 divided by close the bracket. Then 8 minus 2, what is answer? 6. 6 by 3. Second term, minus 3 minus 2. What is answer? It's a minus 5 by 3. Cancellation possible in this. Cancel the term. 3 2s. Then what is the point we got? 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is what is P coordinate. First time done. Now we have to find the Q value also. Okay, coordinates of Q we have to find. Clear? Same. A is x1 by 1 and B is x2 by 2. What is the ratio? Just ratio is different. That is 2:1 we have to select now. Clear? Because we know first one is 1:2, second one obviously 2:1. Yes, write it. Q x comma y is equal to, same formula I am writing here. Okay, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. Applying this, what is the ratio? Ratio we have to write different way, that is 2:1. First time and this is second time. 1:2 first time, second time 2:1. Applying this, what is the formula? mx2. M is what is here? 2. x2 value is minus 2 plus m is 1. x1 value, what is x1 value here? x1 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Next, m by 2. M is again 2. y2 value is minus 3 plus y1 is what is? Minus 1. 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Clear? Multiply this one. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 4 by 2 plus 1, what is answer? 3. Next one, 2 into minus 3, it's a minus 6 plus 1 into minus 1, it's a minus 1, then minus 1 only here. 2 plus 1, 1, what is answer? 2 plus 1, 3. Then minus 4 plus 4, 0. Second one, minus 6 minus 1, it is minus 7 by 3. What are the coordinates of this one? Q coordinates. Therefore, the coordinates of P and Q are what is here? P points, we know 2 comma minus 5 by 3, we got it. And second point, what is second point? Q. Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. This is the answer. Here, the trisection means you have to remember, that is trisection is first time 1:2 and second time 2:1. Both the times we have to do. Then finally what we got? P is 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and Q value is 0 comma minus 7 by 3.